Hey folks, radar's been pretty quiet most of the day today. We're now picking up some showers up in northern Willacy County, some stuff down to the south in Mexico, but still relatively quiet across the region. Now the counties to our north are shaded because they're all under a flash flood watch, basically north of the valley up to Corpus Christi and beyond, then all the way up to Webb County, Laredo, and beyond that. They're under a flash flood watch until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning as the cool front pushes toward the region. Now the front's up to the north of us right now, went through San Antonio a little while ago. The temperature dropped again about 12 degrees right when the front went through. Front pushes southward tonight, triggers showers and thunderstorms. The front stops, the thunderstorms go on through, and I think we'll see late tonight, probably after midnight, stuff coming in from the north and then pushing on down to the south through the overnight hours, and by tomorrow afternoon we're just cloudy, and because of the clouds and the showers we're cooler, but there's still a good chance of rain even during the daytime. Now by Friday, front doesn't go away. It stalls very near or perhaps right on top of the valley, so it's still the focal point for shower or thunderstorm development. We don't see things really going away for a while. Even on Saturday, after the front disappears, showers and thunderstorms are a possibility. Now, how much rain are we looking at through tomorrow afternoon? A quarter to a half an inch in most locations, and then some bigger bullseyes perhaps out in the west. And all of the Weather Prediction Center's information says the heaviest rain is west of us, north of us, and east of us. That we're kind of in the donut hole, if you will, where we get some rain, but not as much. So you see by Friday afternoon, again, you're looking at 3/4 to an inch, with some places in the west getting more than that. But there is flood potential, especially to the north. We're going to watch and see if any of that heavier rain moves into our region, but there's potential for pretty good rain all the way into Saturday. Here are your rain chances, 70, 60, 60 the next 3 days. There's going to be rain around. It's just a question of how much you end up with and how much of the day it actually rains on you. Now take a look across the rest of South Texas, 93 in Laredo, 95 in Fowl, 87 in Victoria, but push back a little bit and look farther to the north. San Angelo is only 66, Dallas at 70, front headed to southeast Texas, headed to South Texas, 55 in Lubbock right now. Fall has arrived in the northern part of Texas, but we're not going to see that kind of drop in temperatures. The front pushes southward tonight into tomorrow. Pretty good dip in the jet. A pretty good upper level system comes in at the same time. That's why our rain chances look pretty solid for tomorrow. And the front washes out, but that little dip in the jet stream kind of hangs around for a little while, eventually lifting away. But there's still an awful lot of moisture here. And once that rain chance gets with us, it's likely to stick around for a while, probably all the way into and through the weekend. Here's where our temperatures stand right now. 103 in Rio Grande City, 95 in McAllen, 90 at the coast right now in Port Isabel. Tomorrow's high temperatures only in the mid 80s across the area with showers and thunderstorms around. Normal high is 90. We'll be below that the next 3 days because of the increased rain and the increased cloud cover in the area. Quick check of the tropics. This system off the East Coast now showing near 0% chance of developing. That's good news for those folks. This system that's not even in the circle right now has a good chance of developing but stays in the Atlantic. And Kirk, reborn, headed off to the west again. You can see it's forecast to move into the Caribbean, but get about there and run into some serious shear. That'll be the end of that. And look at this mess. That system is going to stay out in the Atlantic. So for tonight then, later on, showers and thunderstorms are likely, a low of 75. And then tomorrow, showers and storms. Heavy rain is possible. The heaviest probably to the north of us. But we'll see some here as well. 86 for your highs. Winds out of the north to northeast about 5 to 10. So we keep temperatures in the 80s. We keep that chance of rain in there all the way into and through the weekend. It does taper off by early next week, but I think there's going to be stuff around, certainly into Saturday and Sunday as well. At least a possibility of showers and storms. That is your updated First 45 forecast.